everyone, it's Ken from Turtleback Trailers. We're at the facility today. We're going to be installing the Long Range America fuel tank in my JK. We're going to pull the one in Rubicon in, we're going to get it up onto the lift, and then we're going to start going over what we need to remove and move around on the bottom of the Jeep. Okay, so I'm here with Aiden from ACE Overland.
What's up, everybody?
Aiden's going to be doing the installation of the Long Range America tank. He's going to go over a little bit about what he's going to do, why he's going to move things.
Okay, so we're going to be installing this heat shield along with the resonator heat shield on the exhaust. It just helps make sure the tank doesn't get too hot when you're driving, and yeah, let's get that in. Okay, so we're getting ready to relocate the evap canister. This canister is obviously in the way of the tank, so we're going to take it off right now, and then we'll relocate it to the back of the Jeep later on. Alright, so we're going to lower the Jeep quick. We're going to remove the old tubes and filler hose, and we're going to be putting in the new hose, new tubes, and new vent lines, and then we will lift the Jeep back up and get the new evap canister in. Alright, so we got the evap canister relocation bracket over here. We're going to be putting in the evap canister into that so it moves it out of the way of the new tank. And yeah, then we're going to connect up all the hoses and fittings and get it back into the Jeep. So we're going to be installing these brass fittings onto the new filler neck. And we're going to be using some PTFE thread tape. That's just to make sure it doesn't leak or anything like that. It is fuel rated, so that's good. And yeah, let's get it on. Alright, so we're going to be putting on the evap hoses that reuses the factory fittings. We have relocated the evap canister, and the new filler hose and vent hoses are in. So we're going to connect those up, and we're going to put in the new filler hose straight to the tank, and then we can get the main tank in. Alright, so we have everything in. The evap canister has been relocated, all the hoses are in, the connections are on, the fuel pump's in. We've got to do some wiring, jack the tank up into place, and yeah, then we've got to fill it up and test it out, and hopefully it all's good.
So Aiden's got the tank in. We're going to run the wire out through the firewall. We're going to come up, and I've decided to put my switch right here next to my voltage tester for my batteries. So we're all done. The gas tank has been installed. Aiden's wired it. He's put the switch onto the A pillar. This is where I wanted to have it. It's nice and convenient. We're gonna head to the gas station, fill it up, come back and make sure everything's running properly. Okay, so we went to the gas station. We filled up the main tank. We filled up the reservoir tank. Everything's working. You can see the pump is cycling through. We're heading to Kofa in another week and a half. It's a 3-day trip. I'm sure I will not have to fill up with fuel during that trip. I'll probably be filling up other people's vehicles, hopefully. I want to thank Aiden from ACE Overland. Did an amazing job. Everything's working. He locked it down.